you offers entanglement. Your observations, your actions, your presence. It entangles with the environment because it contributes to the complex web of reality. Because everything that we do has an impact on the bigger picture, on the complex web of reality that we can't see with our own cage of logic. It's not available for us to see that bigger picture. We need to accept that there is one. So this is a reminder that everything is connected, and most especially that your presence, you are important. Don't think that when you're absent, no one will notice and it doesn't make a difference. Your presence makes the difference, because very often you are the magic ingredient, that if you're not there, things are just not the same. And I so often see how little regard people have for their own presence and for the fact that they are really important and that when they're absent, they are missed. So if you are in a state of respect, remember that you're not just exploring concepts of your entanglement with them, with others, or how they are entangled with you. It's entangling with them because we are evolving together. We are in this process of life together and we're going forward together. And that means that we are entangled. This synergy is the essence of growth, of learning and creation. Don't feel so entangled in your own life with things that are obscuring your vision, because it's just like an entangled mess. No, see entanglement from now on as an interconnectedness, as a wonderful web of energy that connects us all, because we are all from the same source anyway, no matter what your perception or your context is in terms of that, because you have a source. You must have an origin, otherwise you cannot exist.